Hello dear students, I heartily welcome you all in our video lecture series on design of steel and RCC structure. In today's lecture number 13, we are going to learn about types of bolting or bolting patterns. This session will cover bolt patterns or which are different types of bolt patterns, how bolting is done in the bolted connections. After that, net area calculation of plate or member in case of tensile fracture. And after completion of this session, we will be able to know and understand different bolt patterns, and also we can able to know and determine net sectional area of plate or member in different bolting patterns. So first of all, let's have short revision on the topics which we have covered in previous session. So in previous session, we were discussing about bolt value, efficiency of the joint. Now can anyone tell me what is mean by bolt value? Yes, bolt value is nothing but, or it is the strength of bolt or least strength of bolt in the bearing or shearing. Or now what is mean by efficiency of bolted joint? We have also discussed about it in previous session. Yes, again you are right. Efficiency of bolted joint is defined as or can be calculated as the ratio of the bolt value or strength of the bolt to the solid strength or full strength of the connection or plate, which is expressed in percentage. Now let's have start our discussion. Now the chain bolting patterns are divided into two patterns or can be performed in different two patterns, which are those. Now these are the chain bolting and staggered or diamond bolting. Now what is meant by this chain bolting? Suppose there is a plate which is connected to another plate by means of bolt in a row. You can see here the all bolts are in a row. There are 9 number of bolts which are in a same line or in vertical as well as horizontal direction, or in the direction of force as well as in the direction of transfers to the force. Now such type of bolting is termed as chain bolting. Now suppose there is a plate which is connected to another plate by means of bolting pattern as shown in the picture. You can see the bolts are staggered or in zigzag pattern. Now this zigzag bolting is termed as staggered or diamond bolting. Now we have to find the tensile area for such type of bolted connections. Now what is meant by tensile area or net tensile area, or where the plate or member will get fail under the tension. Now we can obviously easily say that where the net area or where the area of the plate will be reduced. Now we can say in chain bolting there are two lines you can see. Now along this section the solid area will be reduced by deducting these areas of diameter of holes, which will be our net cross sectional area. Now what about this staggered or diamond bolting? Now in case of this type of bolting we have to go for two or more section. Suppose first section is passing through these two bolts, that is nothing but our chain bolting. Second is suppose passing through this single bolt, again it is a example of chain bolting. And third we have to take section along these three bolts which are bolted in zigzag manner. Now here B is the width of the plate. Let's see how or what is the formula for calculating the tensile area for the chain bolting pattern and staggered bolting pattern. Now for chain bolting pattern, net area can be obtained as A net will be equals to in bracket B minus NDH into T, where B is the width of the plate as we have just seen, N is the number of bolt holes in that our required section, and DH is the diameter of the hole into thickness of the member or thickness of the thinner member. And similarly For the zigzag or staggered bolting, the net area IS has suggested that AN will be equals to in square bracket B minus N into DH plus summation of P square by 4GI, where I denotes number series whole multiplied by thickness. Now here P is the pitch distance and G is the gauge distance between the two bolt lines. Again, N number of bolt or bolt holes in the our required or selected sections. DH is the diameter of the hole, B is the width of the plate, and T is the thickness of the thinner plate. Now in diagram you can see P is the horizontal distance between two bolt line, which is we have termed as a pitch distance. DH is the diameter of hole, and G is the vertical distance between the two bolt line, that is gauge distance, and B is the width of the section. So likewise, we can easily find the net tensile area required in case of calculation of tensile strength of plate. Now, based on this, let's have a quiz, or in computer exam, it may ask objective question, that is net tensile area of plate or member for staggered bolting is calculated as. And options will be AN equals to B minus NDH into T. Option B, B minus NDH plus summation of P square by 4GI, and option C will be AN equals to in bracket B minus NDH into T, and option D is in bracket B minus NDH plus summation of P square by 4GI whole into T. Now can anyone answer this? You can answer. We have just discussed. क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन? नेट टेंसाइल एरिया ऑफ प्लेट मेंबर इन केस ऑफ स्टैगर्ड बोल्टिंग. Now here first option is AN equals to B minus NDH into T. We know this is the formula for chain bolting. Option B, it is only the one dimension. Area will be in mm square. Here we will get only width or reduced width. Now option C, AN equals to B minus DH into T. Now here number of bolts are not given or N terms is absent. Hence it is also not the our required option. Option D will be the correct answer, means B minus NDH plus summation of P square by 4GI whole into T. So by using this formula we can find tensile area of the plate or member which is bolted by staggered pattern. Now based on this, in examination it may ask some of the question. So these are the some of the questions. You may note it down. Calculate net area for plate of size 200 by 12 mm connected by single row of M20 bolts. Also state and explain bolting pattern in bolted joint. Now what about this question 1? We have just seen single row. Single row means only one bolt is there in the connection. There is nothing but the example of chain bolting. We can use this formula, that is AN equals to B minus NDH into T. In this case B will be the 200, N is the only 1, and DH diameter of hole. As M20 bolts are used, diameter of hole will be 20 plus 2, and thickness of the plate is 12. So by calculating we will get the net tensile area of that plate. So likewise we can solve the numerical. So for today's session we will stop here. In next session we learn about calculation of bearing and shearing strength of bolts. Thank you.